Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. These two settings I'm about to show you now will boost your views on YouTube, right? Now I've not been getting enough views for a few months that I've started this YouTube posting, but immediately I turned on these two settings, I started seeing results, and I decided to share with you guys so that you get the same results, right? Now all you need to do is go to your browser. We'll be accessing our YouTube through the browser. So I'll now search for YouTube Studio. As you all know, you should be accessing your studio. Okay, this is my studio, and as you can see the logo of my YouTube channel. So all I will do, I will just go to this section and click on video icon, right? So when you log into your studio, this is how you will see all your videos that you posted and all of that. All you need to do is enter that email address you used to create that YouTube account, and you will enter your account. So I'll come down here to settings. I'll tap on settings, right? Now the next thing I will do, I'll come to upload defaults. I hope you can see upload default here. So I'll tap on upload default, and as you can see here now, visibility. So a lot of people, their phone is not on public. I just set mine to public recently. You see some are private, some are unlisted. So make sure you turn this on to public. That is the first setting. So when you must have done that, you come to advanced settings. So I will now tap on advanced settings, and you will come to this category. This is another thing that will help the algorithm of the YouTube to push your videos even more, right? Because they want to know the areas, the category at which you are sending out your content, right? So you can see here now, if you are on comedy and all of that, you choose comedy, auto and vehicles, entertainment, music and all of that. So you have to choose based on your own categories, right? So here now I'm going into education because I am here to teach people, how to get things done on their online spaces, right? So I'll now click on save. So by so doing this now, you've just let your account even have more opportunities to reach out to more audience, and definitely you'll be getting more views. Do well to subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one.